Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You have the pack and prescription. Start immediately. If you begin on day 1 of bleeding, you're protected right away. If you start on any other day, use condoms or avoid sex for 7 days. Take the first active pill at a consistent time each day. Pick a time you can keep. Once done, set a daily alarm or phone reminder and keep the pack visible. Make sure to confirm no contraindications with your prescriber before starting. Keep taking 1 active pill daily until the 21 pills are finished. If you vomit or have severe diarrhea within roughly 3 hours after a dose, consider that dose missed and follow missed pill steps. If you miss a single pill, take it as soon as remembered and take the next pill at the usual time. If you miss 2 or more, take the most recent pill now and consult your prescriber and use backup for 7 days. Make sure to review drug after the 21 active pills. Stop taking pills for 7 days. You'll typically get a withdrawal bleed during that interval. On day 8, 7 pill-free days later, start the next pack at the same time you normally take your pill. Do not wait for bleeding to stop. If you missed several pills before the break or suspect you might be pregnant, contact your provider and use emergency contraception if indicated. Troubleshooting tip: if you miss 2 or more pills, use condoms and call your clinic promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.